These gigantic snakes, which can exceed 10 meters in length, hide in the mud and undergrowth. There they patiently wait for the return of the rains, but also for the step of less than cautious creatures. Anacondas will often lie in wait for days, but sometimes, when they detect the footfall of some exhausted traveler, they will emerge from their unseen ambush. Young caimans seem like an excellent opportunity for a young anaconda. But no matter how young, a caiman never willingly becomes someone else's dinner. And despite the drought, the caimans are in good health and are strong enough to defend themselves. Nothing will stop them reaching one of the few remaining oases in the forest interior. Not even a hungry anaconda.